Welcome. My name's Brian Knight, and I live near Melbourne in Australia, and it's just turned 5 o'clock in the morning on a Monday for me. Still Sunday for you, Tom.
Hi, Brian.
Okay, so markets are not opened yet, so we'll have a look and see what's happening. Do you close off trades on the weekend, or
I'm sorry, what?
do you close your trades off on the weekend, or do you just keep them active?
Well, it all depends. It just
Yep,
depends. If they're like close to entry, I may kill them and just start them again. But the
yep,
way I'm setting up my trades now, I just let them run. Actually,
yeah, fair enough too. Okay, welcome to this live Forex analysis session. Just note any trades discussed in this group are to be classed as educational only. That's because we're a group of people helping each other and we are not financial advisors. There is a full risk disclosure and a bit about us as live session traders. So yeah, are you still in a number of trades at the moment?
currently I'm in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 trades. And on these 21 trades, I have some of them where I'm set up for one, two,
Multiple.
three, four, 5 trades.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
25 trades if you count all the extra trades I'm set up for.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
so probably if you add all the trades together, I've probably got about 35 trades going.
Hmm. And some of them are just stacked or multiple on one pair.
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Cool. Rightio, AUD CADs. Let's look at them. We'll see where we go through with these. And back to another week this week. We got a bit of rain yesterday.
Yeah,
Woo!
that's good.
Yeah. Yeah, 10 mil. Nothing really to write home about, but at least it's here we haven't read for months. Right. AUD CAD still moving in that buy direction. Just uh relatively slow. Um, but it still would have been a good trade from there to there. We've got to now with what you're this with the lows highs, we got a high low there and then along and then off it goes. It did, push up, pull back and all that sort of stuff. We now have a lower
You know
high.
what? I'm sorry. I was thinking about that over the weekend. I
Oh,
apologize to you.
mm-hmm,
I gave you misinformation.
mm-hmm.
Okay, so the reason my times were different with the lower highs and all this other stuff with the twin range and everything else, because I was working on the 45 hour and I moved up to the 2 hour.
Mm-hmm.
So the way I have my trade set up now with my screen
Hang
is
on, we'll go to what we'll see. Yeah, this is 2 hour and daily, yeah.
right. So what I did was I remember what I did now. The
Mm-hmm.
higher lows, uh, you can actually, if you go to the little cog wheel forum on the 2 hour and the daily, whichever one you want first,
Oh, for which? For these or for
for the higher high and lower low live.
yep, equal
Okay, so
highs and
what I
lows.
did was I just
Yeah.
simply adjusted the go to no, that's equal highs and lows. In fact, while you're there, can you change that to go to style? And oh no, I'm sorry, go back. I apologize, Brian. I just woke up.
No, that's okay.
Change those two to bright orange.
These.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or bright yellow. So they really stand out.
Yeah. Like the halves. Yeah.
Okay. So then go to higher highs and lower lows.
Yep.
And what I did was I moved that number. See the 10?
Yeah.
I just adjusted the number while looking at my screen.
Mm-hmm.
So only the higher highs and lower lows showed outside the rails.
Oh, right.
All the
Okay. Yeah.
stuff in
Yeah.
the middle, I didn't
Disappeared.
do
Mm-hmm.
because I'm not interested in it.
Mm-hmm.
So mine's at 18,
Let's try.
but I don't have your feed. So
Yeah, no, that's okay. Okay. Yeah. Hang on, we're just gonna. So yeah, it got rid of all
the
of
in
this
between
stuff in
stuff.
it. Oh, in
Yeah.
between, you only got that and that. Yeah, okay.
Right. So when I'm taking these higher
But it
highs
didn't
and
give,
higher
but
lows,
it didn't give you this here.
don't need
Mm-hmm.
it. You see the higher low to your
Yeah,
left?
yeah, yeah.
Nothing ever created above it to give me a higher low. So I just stay in the trade.
Yeah. Yep. Okay.
And then I did the same thing with the daily. I just adjusted that number on the daily. So only the
Yeah.
daily show when it's outside the rail.
Right, okay. Is it still 18 as well?
Is it what?
18 is still 18 the number? Yeah, it looks it.
14, 15. Yeah, 15, 16, somewhere in there.
Oh, right, okay.
Whatever your feed is.
And these ones you changed that also to yellows. Whatever. I don't know what difference that makes, but anyway.
Well, the difference being, unless it's outside the rails, it doesn't post. And if it does, and it's inside the
No,
rails,
I mean the color of the equal highs and lows.
oh, no. I
It's
just made
only
mine
it's just
white.
that line there. Okay, no worries.
I don't even have the lines. I turn my lines off. I keep my
Mm-hmm.
screen as clean as possible.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay. All right, so you got that there. All right, fair enough. Yeah, no. So you're only concerned with this saying, like 1, 2, 3.5. So you're in that trade for sell at the moment. We talked about this, didn't we? Yeah. Oh, that's your CAD, sorry. AD CAD. Yeah, you're not. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, you got a lower high here though.
Uh huh.
Mm-hmm. Okay, but it's not outside the roller. It gets rid of some, but not so necessarily all. But that's okay.
Well, no, it's going to show you the lower high because that's what it's created.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean that lower high is going to stay.
Oh, yeah. Okay,
So
no
it'll
worries.
work over, push up. See how it's going to
Mm-hmm.
push up real fast?
Yeah, and that'll get rid of it, and it'll give you
That'll be the
one
lower high up
outside.
there. And then I'm
Yeah.
looking for the turn at the lower high. I
Yeah.
don't
So
care
that's
about
him.
this one in here.
Yeah. Okay, gotcha. So it repaints and gets rid of that, of course, when it goes up. Okay, no worries. Fair enough. Okay. Mm. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go back over to these standard candles for a minute, if that's all right. We'll
Absolutely.
have a look. Say AED CAD still not, yeah. Again, it showed a lower high there and moving itself up that way. Okay. Now AED CHF. Oh, oh, oh. That's interesting.
I'm in this.
Yeah, you're in for the buy.
Yep.
Yeah. So I should be, but we'll just see when market opens if it pulls back a bit or whatever. But that's one to get into. Um,
It's funny because I am so aggressive now with these
yeah.
that
Well,
I'm
you're in.
I'm at two candles. I'm sorry, two bricks. I'm not even waiting until the 3.5. I'm getting in
Oh,
at two bricks.
really?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, because
Yeah.
you're finding what? Yeah. Well, you were conservative at 3.5, weren't you?
Yeah,
And now it's
exactly.
sort of yeah.
I'm already
Mm,
up almost 1%.
mm, mm, okay. Yeah. Okay. Are you really tightening your stop loss up too?
Yeah. My
Okay.
my stop is 46 pips.
Yeah. Mm. Okay, well, this is one to, what am I going to do? Going to make a That's all right. No, I'll go through them. I won't make a note. I know that this is one on when the market opens, we'll see what happens when it settles down and whether it pulls back or not. Or so I could be in that. Okay. ADJPY. Same. You must be, yeah.
Well, I'm in the short for this mistakenly,
Yeah, no, it looks like it's gonna.
but I'm letting it run because there's nothing saying that can't make a new low. So
Hmm.
I let my lows run,
Yeah, yeah.
and then when it turns and it says no, I'm going back up, I get into the buy. If I lose the first trade, I'll pick it up on the next trade,
Yeah,
buying
yeah.
it up, every
Yes,
brick.
same with me. All right, so ADJPY I'm also looking at. What have we got here? What's this JPY stuff? Just balance of trade and rate decisions stay the same. That's right, inflation. Okay. Right. Gosh, there's a lot of stuff happening at the end of the week and on the weekend with the place that you live. Oh my God.
I know.
And people's response. How's the euro, the European Union go like, okay, you want to tax us? We're going to whack you. Okay. Oh, God. And then we're going to wait for the next round. Anyway. Okay. 80 NZD. Oh, making a new low. Still pushing. Yeah. New Zealand dollars sort of come up a bit stronger.
I just got into this Friday.
You did for the sell.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. I'm really sus on it. So because of where it is, but it's like whether it's in the rail or not, it doesn't matter so much. I mean, this is a sort of a 3/4, but it would need to change the trend bar for me. Okay. AUD Singapore. You don't have. Oh, that one's also. Oh, okay. So the AUDs look like they're all sort of changing their tune at the moment. Okay. AUD USD as well. But look, this one, I could have got in here, but then it was like, it's still messy. Green, red, green, red. Like, it's just sideways.
I'm in the short for
So,
this one. I may lose this one
yeah. Yeah. Okay.
because I did get the
Yeah.
short right there
You did. Yeah. That one.
where the that little skinny wick pushed up.
This one. Yeah.
Yeah, so I got into that short. So I'm waiting to see if it's going to pan out. If it's not going to pan out, we're definitely pushing up because it's pushing up on the
Yeah.
daily.
Yeah.
I've got the low. I've got the on the daily. I've got the low. I've
Yeah,
got
but you don't
the
have it, but
long.
it's not outside the rail at all. Like,
It was on the
this.
daily.
uh yeah, okay. Fair enough. Hmm. Ah, yes, I see Darling overrides on it. Yeah, okay, no worries. That's fair enough too. All right. All right, so yeah, but for me that's messy. It's just it's not worth being in. I know you could be can see a chef. Woo! Okay. Oh yeah,
I'm
we've got
in
the
this
low,
one
we've
for
got
the
some
buy.
triangles. Sorry?
I'm in this one for the buy.
Yeah, I know, but I haven't got a trend bar change yet. When I do, then I'll be in that on the buy. Okay. CAD CHF. CAD JPY. Same. Here's another one to get in. You got into that?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, well, that's another one to get into a buy as well. See, I've got trend bar change. That's the end of the week, so I just didn't want to get into the. It's like so many. I go like, wait, let's wait for the start of the week and see what happens. Because these are double trades, these for me. Okay, CHF JPY. Oh, yeah. Come on, push on. It's like I'm in it from over here somewhere.
Yeah, I'm waiting for this to tap me in. I'm above it.
Yeah, you're up over here to, yeah, okay.
Yeah, I'm with you. I think this is going to buy.
Yeah, well, I've been in for the journey, the roller coaster. Anyway, I'm in a double on this. So, but yeah, hopefully you get it. We'll see. All right. I think that JPY is, yeah, weakening off a bit. Right, let's look at the euros. These have been crazy pushing up. Like you're, oh, now, okay. So your AUD, let's see, this tariff stuff might have a little bit. So this is, you already in the cell?
I am in one of the cells, and
Yeah,
I have two more already set up. And
yeah.
if it continues in the direction I believe it's going in, I'll be in like, I don't know, 8 or 9 on this trade alone.
And for the cell.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Yeah, see, it hasn't changed the trend bar for me yet, but that's where I'll be in that as well. Okay. Euro has just been so strong. Look at all the, there's no dips or there's no like red candles at all until it's come up to here. So
Right.
that's unusual. That's typically that will need to come back to wherever at whatever point to balance that back out.
Well, here's the thing.
Yeah,
On the daily,
yeah,
it actually hit a wall on the
yeah.
what
This
the
up
hell is
here.
that thing's called the equal highs and lows. So
Yeah,
it just bounced off an equal high and low
yeah.
on the daily. So I'm looking for this to push like way down,
Hmm.
like way down.
Yeah, just like
We're
that
gonna surpass a
JPY did.
lot of shit.
Okay. Yeah, okay. That's your AUD. Let's see. No, AUD would have to strengthen up. So what's this euro bit? It's just consumer sentiment. Okay. I think this whole tariff thing's gonna have a bit of effect. Euro CAD, same.
I'm in
Yeah.
these.
That's for the sell. Yeah, I know. I'm just waiting for a trend bar change and then I can jump in Euro CHF. This one's a little weird. We've still got this green trend bar though. So, and it pushed back up and made a higher high. It's just not quite ready because of the CHF. It's just weird. Anyway, that was a big push up and then it's just danced across. Not quite ready. Some of the others are, yeah. Euro GBP. Now that came down, like it didn't change the trend bar. So, but we do have a lower high outside. Now, just British pound stuff.
I'm in one
Um,
of these. I
for
have 3 more lined up for sales.
for sales, yeah, okay, yeah. So, yeah, for me, we'll just see how the market opens, and then because that's how the market finished up, trying to push back up, profit, and then end of the week it tends to do that. Now, we'll just see if we get a bit of a sell out at the start of the week. Right, Euro JPY. Oh,
This tapped me in on
oh,
Friday.
for the buy.
Yep.
Mm, I'm in two trades for this. I profited 3/4, and the other one hasn't come to the outside. If this trend bar change, well, I have moved my second trade because of, yeah, a second trade. I see, I got stopped out 2 trades. I got back into 2 trades. My stop is now, so my stop profit is now below this here.
That's where my stop
Um,
is. My entry is just above the lower high.
yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, well, I'm waiting for it to either come to the outside of the rail, push, or if this turns and comes back down again, it'll stop profit me on the second trade back here, right? Which means I only get what, like 1%, but I've already got out of 3/4, I've already got 2.5. So I lost 2 there, got 2.5 there. If it comes back, I'll get another 1. Mm. So still up on it. That's all right. You're at NZD. All right, this one's ready. You're already in cells, I
Uh
would
huh.
say. Yeah. So I'm also getting ready for that as well. Euro Singapore. It's not. It's going to have to pull back further. But look at the profit. You would have made heaps on that one.
Yep.
Okay. Euro USD. Again, this is getting ready, but not quite. Like I said, push back up here. We get a red trend bar. I'm into the sell on that. So they're all euros, all to sell except for Euro JPY. But I think it will. It just may not make the outside of the rail. So, but I've got it all set up, so it's all safe. Okay, GBPs, GA. This is a similar sort of situation as the euros. This is getting ready to pull back down again.
I'm in 2 trades in this one already.
Already, yeah. Yeah, I'll wait for market open when I get a trend bar change, which I think I will today after market opens. We'll see. It may do a little pullback before it pushes back. Anyway, this would be a double trade as well. There's so many coming up. Okay, GBP CAD. That was a lovely push up, that one, but getting ready to come back down now. I'm going to get rid of that.
I'm only in one of these.
Yep.
I got 3 more lined up.
Yeah. Bing, 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 bing. As it goes.
Every brick.
And GBP, yeah. Oh, it's good indication. It's, yeah. Now, this is still pushing up, though. So, GBP, Swiss franc. Again, another Swiss franc one where things are a little different. I've got these, engulfing and pushbacks and another engulfing. Anyway. All right, now, GBP, JPY. I'm in double trades from over here, 2 trades. It hasn't made the 3/4 quite yet. We'll see. All right, this is another JPY again.
I'm in 2 trades on this with you.
With the buys, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, but I think we'll turn, but hopefully we can make 3/4 and at least get one and then pull the second trade stop profit up. I mean, I'll probably tighten it right up because if it comes back on it, I don't want to be, down here and lose. So yeah, I got into that back here on 11th of Feb. So it's like, over a month ago. Too long holding them, that one. But anyway. I don't know, maybe should have done something with it. Changed the trend bar. Anyway, just a thought. Right. Ooh. What are you doing? GBP NZD, just like AUD. I think we're getting that. Yep, we've already got a turn. Right. So I've got a red. So you're in cells already?
Yeah, I'm in 1.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm up 6.6%. I'm up 66 cents, 66 cents, 0.66.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
As soon as the market opens, I'm going to set up another one.
Yeah, there's 2 trades for me in that. Okay, GBP and Singapore. That also hasn't turned yet, but as the market goes, look at that big push up there. It's done a high, and now it's that British pound. What we got? Oh, interest rates stay the same. Unemployment stay. Okay. Rightio. GU. Not quite ready to push it, but yeah. There's lots of US news. What do we got? Oh no, it's not. Yeah. Nothing. We don't have non-farm payroll. It's this week. That's okay. It's a couple of weeks away. All right. NCAD. Again, nothing. That's still buying though.
Yeah,
I'm not going to get
buy for this.
Yeah, I'm not going to get into it because it's coming close to the outside of the rail. NZD and CHF. Wow, it was the last day of the week.
Yeah, I'm in 1.
No, I'm not willing to jump in at the moment. Let's see if it pulls back down because we did go red, green sort of thing. But I mean, if it takes off, great. But I think we're going to get a little bit of pullback with that engulfing candle there. It'll probably come back a bit before it. We'll just see anyway. I'll be in too many trades. Well, not too many, but got to see how I plan this out. NZD Right, again, this is pushing back up now. We've got triangles. This now is engulfing. Hasn't broken that, but we'll see when it opens again. And you? Yeah. Just messy around this middle. It did make 3/4. It's back up to 3/4.
I'm in this for the buy.
Yeah, it would be. I'm a little more cautious on this one.
This is my cautious.
Yeah, yeah. Well, we'll see. We might get a bit of a pullback before it does push up and hopefully get a better position for it. So Singapore and Japanese yen. I'm going to cut down to 2 trades here. I'm just being very gentle. But, it should. We have a triangle. We have a push up. It hasn't come down past there. So really, it looks like, there's a couple there to happen. UCAD. Up, downs. Don't like it.
Yeah, I'm out of this
USD,
mess.
yeah, USD CHF. Now, this one still hasn't gone green on me, but it could quite easily buy back up.
I'm in this for the
So,
buy.
yeah, not quite yet. Let's see when market opens. Yes, I think there's going to be a big week this one. USD JPY, yep, getting ready for the buy on that too. You should be in it.
I'm in the buy.
Yeah. And USD and Singapore, which you don't trade. I'm just leaving that because it's pushed back down again. It's not far enough out here. Look at how gold went. 2988. Look at it. It pushed up past the 3. Yeah, 3005, and then sucked back. Let's see what happens. Yeah, no red triangle there. But look at had so many here, had to push down a little bit and then back up again. This volatility is just crazy. And silver would have done a similar thing. Yeah, pushed up. Oh, and now it's pulled back off there. Okay. That's all right. Bitcoin's back to 84, so just pulled up a little bit. It's still low. Yeah, it's not going well at the moment. And oil is back to 60 cents. See, it's just going sideways at the moment. As I said last week, I don't particularly want it to buy back up. But it's not giving any sign for that anyway at the moment. And Darren did well. He did a 3/4 and a full trade. So, well, you're in lots, and I'm about to potentially enter into lots. It's looking good. I'm liking this new development this year or our ongoing, Tom.
What's that?
I said I'm loving the fact of now. I think the analysis of these pairs are becoming much easier to actually work out. Like, well, okay, what are we going to do with this? And if they're non-events, they're non-events pretty quickly.
That's it exactly. I'm trading the lowest amount I can possibly trade.
Yeah, and you're in heaps.
And I'm in heaps. So as soon as if one trade triggers and I have 2 or 3 set up afterwards, if for whatever reason that trade turns, I only lose 1 trade.
Yeah.
But when it turns, I'll pick up 15 Or if you, can you go back to mine real quick?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. That which pair do you want? Is that okay?
USD JPY.
USD JPY. Yep, got it.
So now I
Yeah,
have this. Yeah, look at that. So I have
yeah,
my low, I have my
yeah,
long. If
yeah.
this fails and starts to pull back 50%, whatever case you want, you
Mm,
can get out.
yeah, no.
So you're not losing the whole trade.
Mm,
But now that I have the low, the long, the yellow candle, two of them, I'm waiting to see if it's going to break this because I'm already in one.
yeah.
If it breaks that green brick above it, that's trade two. If it gives me another green brick, that'll be trade three. Another green brick,
Mm,
trade four, so on and so on, so
mm,
on and so on.
mm,
And I
mm,
just
mm.
let it run till it starts turning and giving me everything I need to get out.
Tom the bricklayer.
Absolutely. Man, I'm picking up trades left and right.
So you're now taking trades at 2 bricks, did you say?
Yes.
So those 2 yellow bricks, you got into a trade straight after that.
Well, I did on this one because I came late to the show.
Oh
So
yeah,
I'm
but that's
actually
okay. I mean,
on this one. I'm one, two, three and a half. I'm three and a half.
oh, you got in there.
There's
Yeah,
my
yeah,
first trade. So if
yeah.
my
And
next
then
trade
pull
I'll set
back.
up will be above that green brick.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
That'll be the second one, and then the
Yeah,
next one, and so on and so forth. It just keeps
yeah,
growing.
yeah. Mhm.
But like a lot of these, like these EuroCADs, they all show you where they're going to break. And if you look, even on here, every
Mhm.
time, like go to the one on the left where it says higher low.
Over here.
Yeah. So if you go 2 bricks up, one, two, you see how I came back and made that yellow brick and tapped?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
My next entry would be above that yellow brick.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
it posted a green brick. I'm into that one. It posted a
yeah.
green brick. I'm into that one again and
Mhm.
again and again and again and again and again. And what I'm looking at is the left. You see where it says short and it's got that
Mhm.
long red wick?
Oh yeah, up here. Yeah, yeah.
No. Where it says short, where you were? That long red wick?
Oh yeah, there.
That one.
Oh no,
So what
there,
I'm
that
doing
one.
is I'm
Yeah,
aiming for those.
yeah, yeah,
Because if it's going to push up, it's got to beat the high. Well, that's
yeah,
technically the high
yeah, 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 yeah. It is.
because it pulled back there.
Mm.
And then I just keep adding on until it goes, you got a short
Yeah,
up
yeah,
here. And I'm like, oh, I
yeah,
got
yeah,
a short. I'm out of the rails. I got a higher
yeah, yeah,
high. I'll just
yeah,
kill
yeah,
all the trades. And now
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
looking at a pullback. And then I'll
This
pick all the
here,
ones up for the sell.
but this here would be the messy bit for you because you'd have 1, 2 up. Like from there, it probably would. Oh, it might not be a low, but well, maybe not if there wasn't. Okay, that makes sense though. But you see here where it pushed back up and then drop back down again. You might lose a trade there, and that's fair
One,
enough too.
right. So I'm going to lose that one trade because I
Yeah,
bought it
yeah.
up.
So what? You got 1, 2, 3, like 10 up there.
I mean, even so, what on this? Because I'm taking
Mm,
every single one of these shorts.
yeah.
So that's one, two, three, four right there.
Hmm.
And not including all the red candles in between as I'm moving along.
Yeah, yeah.
So as they come up, I just get out. If they keep
Mm.
going, I just keep winning.
Keep in, yeah, yeah. Keep in the number of trades and multiplying them.
Right. So even if I lost three down this line,
Hmm.
I'm still making 15 trades.
Hmm. As you said, you've got, like 1, 2, 3, 4 of the shorts. It just keeps, I mean, it does a pullback and then off it goes again.
Right.
Mm.
And I stay in the previous short unless it's beat. Then I know it's going the other direction.
Mhm. Yeah, because it'd have to break that. Mm.
And what's nice about these are this is at one, right? If these shorts and longs are at one on
Hmm.
the scale,
Hmm.
then I know pretty dang quick whether I'm in or out of these.
Yeah, yeah. You've got your notification. Yeah, quickly. That's right. You're not hanging around waiting.
Right.
Hmm.
So for example, that those two longs that came in up there
Uh,
towards the middle.
yeah, these ones. Yeah.
Right. So I'll put a trade on because it says long and it'll go 1, 2. And it's like, oh, it's
Yeah.
turning. It turned green. Look, it turned yellow. So
Yeah.
I'll
Yeah.
just kill that trade at break
Yeah.
even
Yeah.
basically and
Yeah.
then get into the short. And I haven't lost anything.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, but I can see that also too on just on a bit later when I'm using standard candles. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, we're starting to sort of really hone down some
Man, I have
strategies.
become super hyper focused on these bricks. These are
Yeah,
amazing.
but they're also too that it's very, very it's extremely mechanical now,
Yes.
Tom.
Yes.
As you said, but we certainly from a mechanical perspective, you're still going to lose trades. But at
Sure.
least there's the strategy in there to limit the losses on any of those. But
See, that's what I
and on the transverse side, maximize profits as well.
right, and that's what I didn't have before I
Oh,
started
yeah,
trading
yeah,
these Reikos. Where it
yeah,
was a consistent, uh, what's the word you just used? Strategy.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Because yeah, we're
Yeah,
working
I
off a
went
lot of the we're working
so
off a lot of the feelings of it.
right, exactly, and, and you can have a lot of feelings on those
Mm,
regular candles because there's
mm,
so much up and down.
mm,
With these, it's just like, okay, if I'm going to make this mechanical,
mm,
then make it mechanical.
mm,
And I noticed all these indicators, all of the indicators that we've been using
mm,
works better on these.
mm. Yeah.
So 2 weeks ago, I didn't tell you what I did because I wanted to play with it and try it. And it's amazing, ridiculously so. So can you go up to indicators
Yeah. In case, yeah.
and go to all patterns, all
All.
patterns, all chart patterns.
There we
There you go,
go.
very top one.
Eccentric trader.
No, the very top one.
Oh, the technicals.
Yeah. So what I did was I put this on and said, okay, well, if these are working so well with these Renko, with these Renko candles, let's see what this does. And I just put it on
What the hell
just to
is it?
see. It's every pattern there is.
Huh? What do you mean?
It
Oh,
automatically
pattern patterns.
places the patterns of what it's doing on your chart for you. And so what I did was go back up to any one of them. Just pick one. It doesn't matter.
What do you mean?
Pick a trade. Go to ACAD.
Yeah, but this is patterns. You mean like butterfly or
Yeah, this is a rising wedge pattern.
yeah? Okay. Oh yeah. I did get. Yeah.
Now you're in a head and shoulders. And all I'm doing is watching for the head and shoulders to complete.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
And when it does, this computer image of a head and shoulders will match up with this computer image of the next pivot point. And I'll just start looking for sales because I know that time is over. That time has
Mm-hmm.
ended. Now
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking for shorts out of this.
Well, not yet.
Not yet, but I'm waiting for it.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
Okay.
I'm not looking at this going, oh, look, it's going to travel all the way up here to the head, because it's not going to.
No. No, you're right.
And what's nice is they give you, can you see that green box way up at the top if you shrink it down a little bit?
Long box up. Oh, if you shrink it down. Oh yeah, this, yeah.
They give you
Target.
targets. Do they hit
Yeah,
the
but
targets all the time? No.
no, but that means it would have to break the head. No.
Right. So when this turns around and comes back down and makes an equal low down at the bottom for the falling wedge, because it's going to come down. And when it
Right.
starts
Then
shooting
and
back
then
up, that's
yeah.
the target I'm shooting for.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, because then it'll break the head. Okay.
So go to the next pair. What's the next pair show you? had a rising wedge, came down, dropped
Target
like it's
down here.
supposed to. Now I'm looking for the turn back up to the target. It's
Mhm.
showing you all the targets.
But there's a
what not to
target
take
down
it.
here as well.
Yes, go
Yeah,
into
later on.
your little chart pattern thing. The little and then put, rather than, you go to the top one and you want only waiting, only awaiting. There you go. Now, this is not going to show you all the stuff behind it that's happened. This is the only one that's waiting to have its targets hit.
No, but this one's still here.
Yeah, it never hit it. So if you look, it pushes down, doesn't hit the target down here, pushes back up. It's going to take out that target at the top. And then we're going to start our journey down to the target below it. And all I'm doing is just following the roadmap it's creating, because Renko's work so well with all these indicators. Killing it.
Killing it. I love it.
Yeah, I just let the computer do the work. I'm here to manually start trades.
Let's see if all patterns will do anything here.
Yeah, you're starting a rising wedge.
Targets down here though.
Right. So it's rising. So as it pushes up, it's going to push up out of the rail. It's going to spike and then push down to the target. Now, you don't have to leave that on your chart. I just put that on my.
No, I'm not saying that. Oh, it's okay. I can take it off. I can put it on. It's just interesting. We already know that. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah. Okay.
Right? Craziness, right?
No, not crazy. It's good. It's just advancing our knowledge. It's simple as that.
I just keep adding and adding and adding, only to stuff that's telling me which direction, what I'm looking for, the highs and the lows, that kind of stuff that gives me the full picture of everything that's going on, and then I decide to take a trade. That's what's helping me stay patient, and seeing, oh, that's what we're in. Okay, I'll just have to wait till it hits the top of the rising wedge wall before I push off.
Yeah, you and the word patience, it's that's a difficult thing to put together sometimes.
Absolutely. It's funny, is I consider myself a patient, a patron saint of patience.
Now. Yeah, not before.
Not before.
No, it's good. And then you also have honed that, made that tighter. Yeah. All right. Well, I've got a few jobs this morning. I'm back on buses this morning. I did it Saturday night. Had 24 people from a wedding to take home. It's like,
wow.
No, I just went and picked them up from some venue and then drove them back home. It was only a 3-hour job. wasn't a big deal, but they were loud, but they were nice. They were good. I was very thankful. It was a good decision by the wedding people to give people a ride back to their place. I don't know what they were going to do from that point, but anyway. All right. Well, I got lots of stuff today to do or organise too. So.
All right.
All right then.
See you tomorrow.
Yep. Take it easy, and I'm sure things will move around. Might be a few bits in the chat. All right then.